Good day guys, welcome where maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the area of a trapezoid step by step. Make sure you stick along and watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. Now, in order to find the area of a trapezoid, what we need to do is we need to take 1/2 multiplied by the sum of parallel sides and multiply by its height. Alright guys, so let's take a look at this picture to get a better understanding of this topic. Now when we talk about the sum of the parallel sides, we know that AB is parallel to DC. Alright guys, so these two are the parallel sides. So A and B would be our parallel sides and H would be our height, of course. Now let's say for example I have the value of A as 14 centimeter, the value of B as 16 centimeter, and the height as, let's say, 20 centimeter. Now in order to find the area, what I would do is I would take 1/2 multiplied by the sum of parallel sides. So I would have 14 plus 16 and then multiply by its height, which is 20. Right guys, now what we have, 1/2 multiplied by 14 plus 16 is 30 and then multiplied with 20. Now of course in here you can either take 30 and multiply it with 20 and then divide by 2, or else you can straight away simplify it. Now if we simplify, we would have 2 will change to 1, 20 will change to 10, and we have 30 multiplied by 10, which is 300 centimeter square. Alright guys, now let me give you one more example. Let's say in this question I have A as 32 centimeter, B as 24 centimeter, and the height is 10 centimeter. Alright guys, now in order to find the area, what we do is 1/2 multiplied by A plus B multiplied by its height. Okay guys, so we would have 1/2 multiplied by the value of A is 32, the value of B is 24, and multiply by its height. Right guys, now let's do the sum of it. So still 1/2 multiplied by 32 plus 24 will give us 56 multiplied by 10. Now again here, same like the last question, you can either take 56 multiplied with 10 and then divide by 2, or you can itself simplify it. Should make our lives that much easier. So 2 will change to 1, 56 will change to 28. So we would have 28 times 10, which is 280 centimeter square. And that is how we would find the area of a trapezoid, guys. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.